Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best fans for garage in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is the Lasko 2264 QM High Velocity Fan. There's a lot to like about this large fan, which is why it is considered by many to be the best garage fan on the market today. First off, it is extremely easy to use. All you need to do is plug it in, aim it, and then choose from one of the 3 powerful air-moving speeds, with its highest putting out 3,460 CFM. The plug on this fan is built for both safety and practicality. It is a grounded 3-prong plug, which will cut off all current to the fan if there should be a problem with the fan's motor or a power surge. This feature is a wonderful way to guarantee your safety while you work. The fan features tubular steel construction and metal blades, which add durability. The motor, which will provide a relatively quiet experience, is also built to keep this fan running for a good long time. It's built with a protective case around it, but with several small openings in the housing to help the motor cool. However, you shouldn't worry about contaminants. Dusting the motor off once a year would be enough to keep it clean and safe. One of the best parts of this fan is how quickly and easily it can be switched from a floor fan to one hanging on the wall. On the floor, the strong rubber grips help to keep it in place, no matter where you have it aimed. If you choose to use this fan on the wall, you can install the included mounting hardware and hang it up easily. Number 2. Our second best pick is Vornado 660 Floor Fan. Don't let the size of this fan deceive you. Vornado has a long-built reputation for getting a lot out of the small package. This is especially true for the 660, as this tiny titan can move air up to 100 feet. It also has 4 easy-to-access and utilize speed settings, making it super simple to operate. This fan also can be aimed in a variety of directions, making it easy to adjust the airflow to exactly whatever you require. This makes it the ideal fan for a small to medium-sized garage, whether you want to use it for ventilation or cooling purposes. Put it on any of your garage storage system shelves or on a workbench. It would be especially good right on a workbench, since it runs so quietly. The cord is something that you will need to take into consideration as well. While the cord has been safety tested and designed for safe use, it is relatively short, measuring only 6 feet in length. This might put a limit on your location options in your garage. Number 3. Our third best pick is Lasko Pro Performance High Velocity Utility Fan. Sometimes when you are in the garage, you are here, there, and everywhere. This is especially true if you are working on a lot of different projects at once. In that case, it is helpful to have a fan that can follow you around, which is exactly what this blower fan is for. Its extra long 10-foot power cord and compact design make it a cinch to pick up and move along with you wherever you might need to go. It also has a pivoting blower head that lets you direct the airflow right where you need it. The powerful motor is great for ventilation or cooling, although it is not good for large areas. This fan also can act as an extension cord of sorts, since it has 2 built-in 120V outlets. Not only will this thing keep you nice and cool, but it will help to limit the number of cords that you need to lug around your workshop, which will save you tons of time in the long run. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Air King 9020 Industrial Grade Wall Mount Fan. This model is a 20-inch industrial-grade fan that is great for crowded areas. Thus, you can buy it if you want a fan for a church, gym, or other spaces that need efficient air circulation. With this model, you get a powerful motor that powers the fan effectively. It also comes with a ball bearing mechanism that is always lubricated, thus you don't have to worry about rust. It also sports durable construction that ensures that it lasts for several years without any issues. The 20-inch blades are made from powder-coated steel and are always lubricated. While this is a wall-mounted fan, it comes with a nice design that ensures near-total rotation. With CFM of 3,670, This fan will deliver powerful performance regardless of where you are in the room. It is therefore ideal for congested or large spaces. Another good thing about the model is the low noise. Unlike other powerful fans that might drown out your voice, this model will deliver quiet performance. Overall, the brand has done really well to bring this powerful, durable fan to the market. With the ability to pivot and change the direction of airflow, it stands out from many other units on the market right now. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Maxx Air Wall Mount Fan. This fan is lightweight, small, and easy to mount just about anywhere, making it an ideal fan for either a small or large garage workspace. It is also built to work and keep on working in a dirty and dusty environment. This is due to its totally enclosed and dust-proof design. The blades are powder-coated steel, which is both durable and rust-resistant. The fan can be tilted up to 180 degrees, which makes it easy to get just the right angle to keep your workspace well ventilated. The 11-foot power cord makes it easy to find the right spot for this fan without having to use an extension cord. The fan is operated with a pull cord, which, while easy to operate, might tend to break down after years of heavy use. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.